What's going on, everyone? I just got done editing all of our Disneyland videos and California Adventure videos. We had season passes for about a year, and on the rides I took my 4K gimbal stabilized low light camera. So for the next few weeks I'll be dropping those videos. So if you want to see what the ride's about, stay tuned and we'll take you on a POV adventure.
Monstropolis City cab service is available at any time. Please proceed to the taxi holding area located just ahead. Thank you.
That was like 5 minutes. I said, are we in Monstropolis? No, I know, but the city's called Monstropolis.
Attention visitors. For your safety while motoring through Monstropolis.
Ooh, look, you get snacks right here.
Arms, feet, legs, tentacles, and tails inside the taxi. And be sure to supervise your children. Thank you.
5. Are we on the ride? Yeah. Here we go. Oh. Are we on the ride?
Hello. If you are new to the area, the Monstropolis Chamber of Commerce would like to welcome you. While you're in town, be sure...
We interrupt this program for a special report. A child is on the loose in Monstropolis.
A human child!
If witnesses are to be believed, there has been a child security breach for the first time in monster history.
We can neither confirm nor deny the presence of a human child here tonight.
I tried to run from it, but it picked me up with its mind powers and shook me like a dog.
I saw the whole thing.
Happy birthday, Smokesy Poo!
Oh, googly bear!
Human child froze me with its telepathic control and made me dance like a chicken. My thoughts were not my own. And then it grabbed me.
Oh, we gotta get you home.
There's a kid! A human kid! Oh, sweet monster in the sky! Michael Wazowski! And on my birthday, I want you to hurt me!
Celia, try to understand.
Come on, this way.
Eagle unit, get position. Spread out and lock it down. Nothing down here. All units, be on the lookout for this child. Affirmative, all the negative, number 1.
Well, I hate working nights. Yeah, nothing exciting ever happens.
Hurry up, Sulley, hurry up. I've got both doors set up on the scare floor.
Are you done yet, Boo?
Race you to the scare floor. Almost there, They'll never find her door now.
Look, Boo, there's your door.
We're almost there, kiddo.
Not so fast, Sullivan. They'll never get her home now.
2319! my life.
Mine, we're lucky.
But I love you, kiddo.
Good night, Boo.
Kitty.
Kitty's gotta go now. Sleep time.
Situation status to Niner Weekend news and firmly ordered of a human child.
Didn't see anything unusual, never saw a human child in Monstropolis. What are you looking at? Don't make me come in there. I want you. Always want you. Come on, people. There's nothing to see here.